Let's make this fall-inspired pumpkin Rabri mousse with kesariya jalebi. You can even dress this up with a cute Halloween treat. To make our instant rabri, we will mix milk with some fresh breadcrumbs to help get that rich texture effortlessly. We will add our pumpkin puree for a fun fall fusion that works so well because of the pumpkin's natural sweetness. And now we will add in our sugar and give this a quick stir. Finish with pumpkin spice powder, cardamom, saffron, chopped nuts for a little texture. And trust me, this instant rabri comes out so velvety and decadent every time I make it. For the jalebis, I have used classic batter for the beautiful kesariya color. I also used some activated charcoal for some black jalebis that look so spooky and a perfect touch for the Halloween. And now we will mix our cool pumpkin rabri with some whipped cream for that lightest mousse. To assemble, add a layer of crushed cookies to the bottom of your serving glasses. Then using a piping bag with a large nozzle, add in your Rabri mousse. Top it off with some orange and black jalebis, gold varak and candy ice if you would like, and your Rabri mousse is ready. Hope you like it. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.